So as mentioned in my last video, I've got a brand new kettle, and nothing startling and exciting, you might think, a kettle, but I just wanted to show it to you. It's out of wood. It's Christmas Eve. I've got not a lot going on. I just wanted to make a nice little video for the end of the year. So here's my old faithful fast boil kettle. I think it's made of titanium, and I noticed that inside it was starting to get a weird build-up of this white stuff. No idea what it is, so I've decided to stop using it. So here's my new kettle. It's made of stainless steel, and it's got a handle on top, a handle on the side. Lift up the lid to see what's inside. You've got some markings there which you can't quite see, and a nice bit of sieve action for the spout. It's really well made. And here's the box that the kettle came in, for those that like to see that type of thing. All the writing's in Chinese. I used Google Translate, and basically it just says stainless steel kettle, 1.2 litres, and it looks like they do a 0.7 litre version. Yeah, so as mentioned, it is Christmas Eve, and I'm feeling pretty good about things. Hope you are too. Looking forward to a nice holiday break. Paraffin, well, kerosene's getting a bit low for the heating in the shed, so let's get that topped up, and hopefully that'll last me until until the new year. Just fill this tank. It's a 4 litre tank, and holds enough fuel for a constant burn of 16 hours. And that'll keep us warm, because apparently it's going to snow. That'd be quite Christmassy, wouldn't it? We're running a bit low on kindling in the cabin, and like I said, it's going to snow, so nice little thing to do on Christmas Eve. We'll smash a load of kindling on. Doing this type of thing, it's nice to have your little hatchet axe or your knife as sharp as possible. I use one of these. Okay, it's a sharpener. It does axes, knives and scissors. People talk crap about it won't be as good as using the stone and you're going to get the wrong angles. Listen, I'd rather be cutting up firewood than sharpening my axe. This will sharpen your axe in a matter of minutes. And I've been using this now for 5 years with no problems. Get yourself one of these, they're great. Sharp-all. Well, that's all that lot out the way. I've just filled the new kettle up. I'm going to put a brew on for Mrs. Summerhouse. And it's nearly it's Christmas Eve, isn't it? It's nearly Christmas. And I think it's very important with what's going on in this country at the moment that we embrace our traditions, celebrate Christmas, put up a tree, put some lights on it. We'll just put up some lights, have a drink with some friends. I'm going to have a drink with you, my friends. The Steve Wallace Step 2. Merry Christmas to you all. I'll see you next year.